Hi, Randy again, and welcome to episode 6 of our series on document automation. Again, the purpose of this series of short videos is to help you understand the concept of document automation, or DA, essentially the process of transferring the traditional administrative tasks of figuring out what a document is and capturing some business information off of it from the human and into the machine. This time, I'll talk about validation, the act of determining whether extracted values are valid in the context of the application system receiving the data. For example, an extracted customer number should really be the customer number associated with the document it came from, and it should exist in the business software system. The simplest kind of validation is checking the extracted values format. If a customer number in our enterprise is numeric, 7 digits long, with a dash between the second and third characters, and if the result passes a comparison with those simple rules, there's a good chance things worked well. Simple rule matching gets more complicated when the extracted data may not follow many rules. Names are a good example. A single box or line on a form labeled name could be formatted last name, comma, first name. It could be first, middle, last. It may have hyphenated components and, in rare instances, may include one or more numbers. The list of rules is long. Some extraction products have pre-built name rule sets that help, but chances are your application may still require more rules or tuning of the ones that are already there. Validation does not just involve the machine. Remember that DA is a probabilistic enterprise. It completes an action and provides some value indicating how confident it is that it got it right. A returned confidence value lower than a set threshold then requires that a human be in the loop to either confirm the correctness of the machine or make a change if the machine got it wrong. Likewise, any failure of a rule-based validation also requires human intervention. The goals for any DA implementation are to absolutely minimize human intervention, even though it's going to be pretty difficult to eliminate it altogether. Remember, too, that the same validation rules need to execute after the human finishes their work. Validation is all about checking the work done by the machine or done by the human and is a core part of all DA applications. Next time, we'll look at some of the more complicated ways to make sure what you extracted makes sense and, ultimately, is valid. Thanks for watching.